Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to receive crypto in Rainbow Wallet. Rainbow Wallet is a secure and easy to use crypto wallet that lets you store, send and receive Ethereum and other supported tokens. If someone is sending you crypto or you want to transfer funds from an exchange to a wallet, you'll need to know how to receive crypto correctly in Rainbow Wallet. And in this video I'll show you step by step on how to receive crypto in Rainbow Wallet safely. So first you need to open to the Rainbow Wallet on your phone and make sure you're on the main wallet dashboard where you can see your balance. And if you do not have a Rainbow Wallet yet, you can go to the App Store or the Play Store and you can download it from there as well. And after you're done, over here we can see there's an option for the receive assets. You can simply select on this copy address and it will copy the wallet address and paste it wherever you're receiving crypto from, like an exchange or another wallet, or share the QR code so the sender can scan it directly. Over here we can see there's a tiny QR code icon over here. You can share it as well, and make sure the sender is sending crypto on the correct network, usually Ethereum. And once the crypto is sent, you'll see the pending transaction in the Rainbow Wallet. And after the network confirms, the balance will update automatically. And always double check your wallet address before sharing it, and never send crypto on the wrong network or you could lose your funds. And that's how you can receive crypto in Rainbow Wallet easily and securely. And if this video helped you, like, share and subscribe. And if you have any trouble or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.